Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we are diving into a detailed comparison between the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6650 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. We'll explore their specifications, performance in gaming, and overall value to help you decide which card is the best fit for your gaming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to gaming performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6650 XT is a solid choice for 1080p and 1440p gaming, providing good frame rates in most titles. However, it may struggle with more demanding games at higher resolutions due to its limited ray tracing capabilities. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is designed for high-performance gaming, excelling in 1440p and even 4K gaming. With its advanced ray tracing capabilities and support for DLSS 3, it offers a significant edge in performance, making it a top choice for gamers seeking the best experience. Price is a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6650 XT comes at an affordable price of $319, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is priced significantly higher at $869. While it offers superior performance, the price difference is substantial, which may deter some gamers who are looking for value for money. In terms of technical specifications, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 features 8GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of up to 2635 MHz, making it suitable for most gaming needs. However, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super boasts 16GB of GDDR6X memory and supports cutting-edge technologies like DLSS 3 and advanced ray tracing. This makes it a more future-proof option for gamers who want to experience the latest titles with the highest settings. In conclusion, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6650 XT is an excellent choice for gamers on a budget, offering good performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming. Meanwhile, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is the go-to option for those seeking top-tier performance and advanced features, albeit at a higher price. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content.